Today is 9/15/2021. We're looking at a 2014 Makino EDAF3 die sink mold EDM. The machine is very well equipped. You can see it has 6-axis. It has a Jachenschmieder 2-axis CNC submersible rotary table. It has a 3R system C-axis. And on the left is a 16 station tool changer. On the meter, it shows 1961 power hours. In the background, you will see the transformer. We do have the covers for the machine. We had taken them off to package and ship the machine to ourselves here at Machinery Works in Belgium. We have it temporarily wired in. So the transformer does come with the machine. Back side of the machine, fire suppression unit, also the transformer. And here we have all of the shipping brackets, the collector, and then packaged are the panels which finish off the machine. Back to the machine. Coming around, again, we have panels off with notes where the brackets go, fire extinguisher unit, and then the CNC control. And again, the Jachenschmieder rotary table, 2-axis. I'm going to put the door up, give you the full view of the machine. Complete set of books and manuals. And the keys for the machine.